Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jordan, and in every video, I teach people how to make money online and have more freedom. If you like money and you like freedom, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And in today's video, I actually wanted to cover a question by William. He's wondering how to add different phone numbers on different pages. How did I do that? Well, William, I'm assuming that you're talking about this phone number up here in the global navigation because, as everyone knows, this navigation stays the same across the entire website. But as you can see here, the phone number actually changes based on what page you're on, okay? So this is a website that I produced for a client, and based on the location page, they actually have a different phone number. And this is really powerful and really important if you have location pages. The reason is because you're going to be using this URL up here as the URL for your Google My Business listing, and all of the information has to match exactly. So if you have a different phone number up here, then Google is going to think, oh, it's not consistent and we're just not going to rank you as high. That's just kind of how it works. And as you can see here, I actually have a dynamic footer with a different name, address, and phone number as well. So I'm assuming you're using WordPress, right? And you can leverage the power of WordPress. I just so happen to use the Oxygen builder for this website, but this will apply if you're using Elementor, Beaver Builder, Divi, really any page builder. If you install the plugin, then I think you should be able to use the shortcode in the method that I'm about to show you, okay? So the plugin is called Advanced Custom Fields, or ACF. It's a free plugin for what we're going to use it for. And over here on the left, you get another tab called Custom Fields. And what's really cool is you can actually make a field group. So I just made one called NAP, or name, address, phone number. And I can actually ask myself on every single page of my website what the name, address, and phone number should be. And this is really helpful for, again, those location pages for the GMB, because now you can actually have a dynamic name, address, and phone number on any page of your website. So it's extremely, extremely powerful. The only caveat to this method is that you do need to set this for every single page. So I had my team write a bunch of blog posts, and they actually didn't set a phone number. So as you can see here, the button kind of got smushed, I guess. The phone number is non-existent. And then same thing down here, there's no data being pulled on the page to add in the name, address, and phone number in the footer. So we have to go back and fix that. Not a big deal, but you do need to set it for every page you want it to appear on, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into Oxygen Builder, and I can show you how I set it up. So up here in the global navigation for the header, all I did for this button was insert data. So Oxygen has this insert data button. And as you can see here, this is the shortcode for phone. So if you do insert data, it actually shows you right here, advanced custom field. Now, I assume that Elementor has something similar, or Divi, or Beaver Builder, all these builders, they have something similar to this that you can go ahead and utilize. So you can actually click it, and then you can see the advanced custom fields that you set up, the name, address, and phone number right there. So all you have to do is insert it into there, and then you actually need to copy this whole thing and put it over here in the content. There's some weird bug where it wouldn't necessarily work, or it wouldn't actually call the phone number. But if we just take a look, let me see if I can, yeah, there we go. So it'll inject the phone number, and then in the link right here, I actually did a URL of a normal phone number URL, right, of TEL:, and then I put in that shortcode once again, so it will, the link will actually be dynamic as well. So the click to call feature will still work if you set it up in this way. You put the TEL and then you inject, again, there's a little button right here to inject data, and you would go ahead and find that advanced custom field and put that in there, and you're good to go. Pretty simple, right? And then the exact same thing is done for the footer down here, except for 3 different custom fields for the name, address, and phone number. And then that will dynamically update on all of the pages as well. So pretty cool, super powerful. I hope this helped. I hope I answered your question. Let me know in the comments if I did. Okay, I just wanted to go over my course really quick. It's coming up at the end of November. That's when I'm going to be launching my lead generation coaching program. I'm super excited for you guys, and I went back and forth and actually decided to have an insane fire sale, or an early bird special, if you will. And I'm going to be offering my course for 50% off, which is absolutely insane, but it's only going to last for 24 hours. So if you follow the link in the video description, you can sign up for my mailing list, and I will email you when the course is live and available for purchase. You can get in there, buy it for 50% off. That early bird special will only last for 24 hours. So I really encourage you guys to go ahead and take advantage of that. I'm excited to be able to offer that for you guys, so you can just jump right in and start learning the process. So I also created a master standard operating procedures document, because I realized that videos, information can get lost and people learn in different ways, right? So instead of just having a bunch of videos, I actually made a standard SOP, right? Or a master SOP, where this will be a living, breathing document, and we can actually come back to this and add to it as people have questions about the process, and we can make it extremely robust and just have everything listed from a top level all the way down in text format. So then it's much easier to kind of replicate instead of digging through all these videos, right? So that's really cool. I also have a really awesome goals calculator that I created for you guys that I used something similar when I was first starting out. So you can come in here and change the yellow fields and put in your monthly income goal. Maybe it's $20,000 per month, and then everything else will update. And you can see how many people you actually need to talk to, right? How much action you need to take to hit your goals. This is often overlooked, right? Is people have a really lofty goal they want to get to, but they don't actually know the path forward, and they don't know how much work is actually required to make that goal a reality. So what this does is it really just puts it in a number format, and it tells you literally, you need to talk to 60 people this month to get to your goal, right? And it tells you how many clients you're going to have after 1 month, how many clients you need in total. So basically how many months it'll take you to hit your goal. So I thought that was pretty cool to give you guys in the course as well. And I'm getting to the end, right? Goals and motivation and growth strategy. Those are really the last 2 modules I have left. And then I have the big recommended tools list for you guys all ready to go as well. All the SEO tools that I use to build my passive income online, those will be in there for you to grab as well. So that's it for me for this video. Again, just a reminder, click the link in the video description, put your email in there. You won't want to miss the early bird special for this course. It's going to be dropping later this month in November 2021. Can't wait to see you guys on the inside. All right, that's it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.